Hello folks, shit, when was that? That was a while ago. So 2 months ago, when was that? February 17th, now we're almost, and May 17th, so February, March, April, May, it's almost 3 months, no ticky noise, since we changed the O-ring on the Bozemobile. But here's a new thing, it leaks oil like crazy. And I'm looking at a Felpro. I could probably get this from like Advanced Auto, like $20 with a coupon. You can get the rear main seal, and you get the plate. I believe it's leaking right around one of these bolt holes. Whoops. One of these bolt holes is leaking out, or the actual seal. The plate is not warped on it, and it's not the actual rear main seal that's leaking. It's coming out of one of these bolt holes and it's trickling down. Just like it did with the oil pan. So I can get an AC Delco one. I can get the Mal. That's probably more like OEM. And my question is, should we just get the Felpro or get the original AC Delco? Do you need that alignment tool for the seal? Like, that's a different alignment tool, but apparently they had one. Maybe it is the alignment tool or some kind of install tool I think they actually use to hammer it in. Do you think you need that specialty tool? I don't know. My shop has to do it anyway because I am not removing the transmission in condo land. My freaking truck, that shit needs a transmission removal too if it changes the torque converter. Great. So that's to do with that. Yeah, it needs that shit, man. $20 seal, it'd probably be like $500 to change that thing, which sucks. But it is pissing out oil like crazy, and it's not the oil pan, because around the oil pan is actually pretty dry. Just around the bell housing, it has a nice leak that comes out of right where the little plate is. So it's that, guaranteed. Yeah, install tool, especially tool. Or not needed. I don't know. 5.3 tick though. Look at my video where it comes up. I want. Oh, cool. Wow, 1, 2, 3. All these other people putting motor flush in here. This kid says put Mobile 1 in it. That's one motor flush. Not gonna fix it, man. ATF did actually fix it up a little bit. That might have actually swelled that O-ring. That's what I'm thinking. When I put ATF in, it quieted down a little bit. It could have swelled the O-ring a slightly bit, but the O-ring was the problem. Get this one, another one. Oh, that's how I fixed it with Mobile 1. Look at 31,000 views. That's not gonna fix it. One guy, oh, change the oil filter. Not gonna fix it. You know, this freaking internet, man. All right. So we gotta change that rear plate like this. Well, like something like that. See, he has a little specialty tool. There we go. He puts it on, he hammers it on, you know, like, do you need that tool? I don't know. That's where that damn leak's coming from. That one of those bolts is coming right down. At least they posted a video that's somewhat informative, unlike what so much is out there.